everyone, we are making pancit bihon. So we're gonna put the chicken in the pot.
Okay.
Okay, careful it doesn't fall. Okay, put it right here.
Yeah, keep adding it, keep adding it. Add all the chicken.
So we're gonna put this water. We're gonna put the noodles.
Yeah.
In here for noodles have to soak
For about
10
minutes. Yeah. All right.
Good, I guess.
Noodles. You have to put probably about half of the packet.
Okay.
I'm guessing. A little bit more. Fill it up more. All right.
All right.
Is that enough?
Yep.
Okay. Now what are you gonna be doing with your chicken over
I'm
there?
gonna mix it.
Okay, mix it, and then what do you need to add to the chicken? Are there more things you put in your chicken?
The garlic.
Oh, okay, yes. So you're gonna add a little bit of garlic in there, maybe some salt, and keep mixing it. ¿Verdad? Vas a mezclar todo el ajo con la sal y el pollo. We're making like a little bilingual video here because we're a bilingual household, right, Francine? Francine is mixing the chicken and the garlic and the salt. Okay, muy bien, Francine, sigue mezclando. So well, Francine.
Yeah.
You can make a little bit the fire, maybe up a little bit more. Yeah, it's good. You're safe.
Hopefully it doesn't burn.
No, it's not gonna burn. So Francine is gonna be cooking this chicken for a while. We might make a pause and show you guys how she's gonna do the vegetables after this. Okay?
Okay.
See you in a bit. So, Francine?
So we are putting the onion right
Yeah.
there.
Use your spoon too.
Okay, let me do that.
So we're adding our onion to our chicken. You have to cook the onion a little bit, Francine.
Yep.
Or you mix it, yeah, right? And then just add the other.
Yep.
Right? Maybe a big. Alright.
I'm actually cooking.
Okay, so now Francine's got her onion mixed with the chicken. And we'll show you what's next. What's next, Francine? Alright. We're adding that to the mix. And we modified the recipe a little bit because we didn't add the pork and we didn't have the celery today, but I think it's gonna work out, right, Francine?
Right.
Okay.
Next, we are putting the lettuce.
Right.
Put this right there. All right. So now we are putting in the noodles.
I'm gonna see if they get soft, right, Francine?
Yep, let's see if they get soft and let's mix them up.
I'm gonna have to be mixing for a little while.
Our pancit cooked, and it's really good. It's really like clear and thin.
Right?
Yep.
So Francine's gonna try it now, right?
Now it's time for me to try it.
Great. Well done, Francine.